Yo, I got baking soda.
Nicholas, I'm asking you now, can you please leave?
Hold on. How they bake the soda though?
Nicholas, you're scaring me.
Oh,
Can
I'm
you
sorry.
please, don't get any closer, okay? Don't get any closer.
I won't. Chill,
If you
chill.
get any closer, I will call the police.
Uh-oh.
I'm asking you to please get out of my house.
I can't find the door
You aren't
handles.
wanted here.
Oh.
It's an invasion of privacy, okay?
What? Okay.
No, I'm not gonna give you a hug.
Why?
Can you please get out?
I guess.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done being nice. Nicholas, you're crazy.
What?
You're a stalker.
I'm
You
just
found my
chilling.
house. You came to my date. You're a stalker. Please get out of my face.
That's fair.
Nicholas?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Oh, sorry.
Nicholas, please don't.
Sorry.
Nicholas, put that